In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create hover effects for the main menu in Squarespace. This interesting feature can enhance user experience on your website by changing the appearance of menu links when hovered over by a mouse. Now let's get started. First, you will need to visit the dashboard of your Squarespace account. Locate the option labeled Website and click on it to proceed. The following step requires more attention. After you have accessed your website, look for the Website Tools option. It will be instrumental in this process. Upon clicking Website Tools, a list of numerous options will be displayed. In this list, your next stop is Custom CSS. The Custom CSS option allows you to add customized codes to your Squarespace website. Having accessed the Custom CSS function, you will find a text field where you will need to paste your CSS code snippet. CSS code snippets are crucial for applying style changes to your website, and these snippets can be sourced from various Squarespace tutorials or forums available online. To provide some insight, let's examine the general structure of a hover effect code. The basic structure looks like this: selector hover, property, value. As you see here, the code consists mainly of a selector to target your area of alteration and a property value pair to initiate the change. Our primary focus here is to create a hover effect for the main menu links, so we need to ensure our code targets these links. A common selector for this action would be nav-a, or you could opt for a more specific one, like header nav link. Now, let's evaluate changes to the properties. You can alter properties like color, background color, text decoration, or font weight to achieve the desired impact with your hover effect. Bring into play something unique to spruce up your hover effect, and that's adding a transition to make the change smoother. To accomplish this, incorporate a transition property to the original selector, excluding the hover state. And voila! So an example of such code can be Nava transition, color 0.3zs. The 0.3s signifies the transition duration, while the ease function specifies a transition effect with a slow start and end. At this point, your Squarespace main menu hover effect has been created. Remember, it's the minute details like these that can differentiate your website and provide an enhanced user experience for your visitors. So continue exploring until you find what works best for you. Happy